Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, close the case. And now your earbuds are disconnected from the phone, and we can see this information at the device list. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and it also means that your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. And then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. And right here, as you can see, we have connection. Now, sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so then try to tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!